the Philippine Navy (PN) is looking for suppliers capable of providing spare parts needed for the repair and maintenance of its 7 helicopters. According to the bid bulletin posted at the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, the PN Bids and Awards Committee has allotted 12,174,050 Philippine pesos for the repair and maintenance of the communications and electronic (COMMELEX) and navigation sensors (NAVSENS) equipment of 5 Augusta-Westland AW-109 power, utility and 2 AW-159 Wildcat anti-submarine helicopters. The Navy's 5 AW-109 utility helicopters were delivered in 2013 and 2014, while the 2 anti-submarine AW-159s were delivered last year. Pre-bid conference will be held at the office of the PN Bids and Awards Committee, Naval Station Jose Francisco, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City at 9 a.m. on March 11. The 2 AW-159s are the first anti-submarine aircraft in Navy service. These will be based on the BRP Jose Rizal FF-150 and its sister ship BRP Antonio Luna FF-151. The BRP Jose Rizal, the country's first purposely built missile frigate, and the BRP Antonio Luna are expected to be delivered by April and September this year, respectively. The Philippine Air Force commissioned the first 2 of 8 armed AW-109 power-light, twin-engine helicopters in August 2015. The helicopters are manufactured by Italian company Augusta-Westland. The helicopters will be operated by the Philippine Air Force's 15th Strike Wing in missions such as close air support, armed air reconnaissance, forward air control, and armed escort. AW-109 power can be configured for a range of missions, including search and rescue, law enforcement, air ambulance, Coast Guard, border patrol, surveillance, passenger transport, advanced training, and emergency medical services. AgustaWestland won a contract worth P3.4 Bn $77 million through a public bidding for the supply of 8 AW-109 helicopters to the Philippine Air Force in November 2013. The first 2 helicopters were delivered in December 2014. The Philippine Navy signed a contract with AgustaWestland for 3 AW-109 power maritime helicopters with an option for an additional 2 in March 2013. The helicopters are configured for maritime security, search and rescue, surface surveillance and economic zone protection. A contract for an additional 2 helicopters was signed in February 2014. The Mauritanian Air Force placed an order for an undisclosed number of AW-109 power helicopters for reconnaissance and border patrol missions in June 2013. AW-109 power features an airframe made of lightweight aluminium alloys. It is fitted with 4-blade main rotor and long-tail boom with 2-blade tail rotor. Tricycle landing gear with energy-absorbing struts allows safe landing on rough terrains. The helicopter has a length of 13.4 meters, a width of 7.8 meters and a maximum height of 3.5 meters. The main and tail rotor diameters are 11 meters and 1.94 meters respectively. The helicopter is operated by 1 or 2 pilots and accommodates up to 7 passengers. The cockpit is fitted with pilot, co-pilot doors and windows with sliders. The cabin has 2 large sliding doors and double-layer acrylic windows. With a volume of 3.5 cubic meters, the wide cabin can easily configured to meet various mission equipment. The spacious baggage compartment can be extended up to 2.3 meters to house mission-specific loads. The interior is installed with soundproofing, bleed air heater and air conditioning to facilitate comfortable seating for occupants. AW-109 power can be optionally fitted with a rescue hoist, cargo hook, engine air particle separator, external loudspeakers, pulse chip detectors, rappelling hooks, retractable light, and Bambi bucket. The digital glassing NVG-compatible cockpit is equipped with 6 liquid crystal instrument displays to provide the aircrew with navigational and flight information, as well as enhanced situational awareness both during the day and at night. Avionics include 3-axis duplex automatic flight control system, AFCS, radar altimeter, weather radar, global positioning system, GPS moving map, instrument flight rules, IFR, navigation and communication systems, gyro compass and transponder. It also includes tactical radios, forward-looking infrared radar, FLIR, low-light television, LLTV camera, automatic direction finder, ADF, storm scope, emergency locator transmitter, ELT, and cockpit voice and flight data recorder. The AW-109 power attack version is armed with .50 caliber machine guns and unguided rockets for close air support and surveillance operations. The AW-109 power helicopter is powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney Canada PW206C engines controlled by Full Authority Digital Engine Control (FADEC) system, or 2 Turbo Mega Arias 2K1 engines. PW206C has a takeoff power of 477 kilowatts, whereas the Arias 2K1 has a takeoff power of 500 kilowatts. The helicopter has a maximum takeoff weight of 3,000 kilograms and is equipped with 605 L3 cell, 699 L4 cell and 835 L5 cell fuel systems. It has a maximum cruise speed of 285 km per hour and never exceeds speed of 311 km per hour and a rate of climb of 9.8 meters per second. It can reach a surface ceiling of 5,974 meters with 1 engine inoperative. The IGE and OGE hover ceilings are 5,059 meters and 3,596 meters respectively. AW-159s, which arrived in the Philippines on May 7, 2019 as part of a 5.4 billion Philippine pesos (101 million United States dollars) contract signed with Leonardo in 2016, showcased anti-submarine warfare (ASW) capabilities and will serve with MH Air Force Squadron Wings -40 at Danilo Atienza Air Base. The helicopter is expected to be deployed from two PN-class frigates Jose Rizal, the first to be launched on May 23 at the South Korean shipbuilder's Ulsan facility, Hyundai Heavy Industries, paid off for the second-class ship late on the same day. The first of these frigates will be sent to the PN in September 2020 and the second in 2021. In the ASW role, AW-159 can be equipped with active sonar, buoy, depth load, and torpedoes, as Jane reported earlier. In the role of anti-surface warfare, helicopters can be equipped with missiles, rockets and anti-ship weapons.